In front of me is ZTE Blade A51, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, tap on About Phone at the bottom. Now select My Phone section at the top and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Sunny. When you're ready, select OK in My Phone name pop-up and then confirm your choice by hitting OK in the other pop-up, this time about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my ZTE has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!